The team of French archaeologists had reached the bottom of the sea. They saw these large granite blocks scattered. Looking at them, it seems that this is not a natural formation, but they have been cut in this particular shape. What secrets of history were hidden at the bottom of this stone sea? Its veil was about to be revealed soon. Welcome back to Scope History Videos, viewers. This underwater research was going on near the coast of Alexandria, the city of Egypt. Alexandria is a historical city, which was created by Alexander the Great after occupying Egypt in 331 BC. Just as Dubai is important today, Alexandria was also very important in the world 2,350 years ago. It had become the center of international trade at that time, and a very large lighthouse was also built here to attract the world. The height of this lighthouse was more than 100 meters, and maritime ships could see this lighthouse from miles away. Slowly, this lighthouse became the seventh wonder of Alexandria and the ancient world. In addition to this, it also had another importance. It was also the first lighthouse to be built in the world. There used to be a total of 7 wonders of the ancient world, 2 of which were built by the ancient Egyptians. The first is the Pyramids of Giza, which is still standing in good condition, and the second is the Alexandria Lighthouse, which is also called the Pharaohs of Alexandria. It was a unique thing for the world at that time. Made of limestone and granite, it was the jewel of ancient engineering. But today we don't see this lighthouse on the coast of Alexandria. We get the proof of its existence in a few books of history, but how it was physically visible has its own opinion of different historians. Some say that it was built 50 kilometers away from the sea, and some say that it was so high that the falling stone came down after 2 days. Something happened that this new government of Egypt slowly became weak. Alexandria's famous lighthouse became inherited, and with time, due to lack of maintenance, its condition worsened. Where it was built, the sea occupied it and made its foundation hollow. Then in the year 1480, that is about 550 years ago, a powerful earthquake tore this lighthouse apart and scattered it in the sea. The 1,700-year-old lighthouse, standing with glory, disappeared as if it had never been built. As time went by, the history of the Alexandria Lighthouse was also blurred, and today it has become a mystery for historians and archaeologists. It is believed that it was lost in this part of the sea, which is now the entrance to the Alexandria port. A team of French archaeologists has been working hard for the past 20 years to solve this mystery. Now they decided to go into the sea and get help from underwater imaging technology. Their only goal was to somehow make the original shape and design of the lighthouse digitally again. Many feet below the surface of the sea, they saw large granite blocks scattered. Looking at their size and shape, it seems that this is not a natural formation, but they have been specially cut. These blocks are really part of the Alexandria Lighthouse. It is very difficult to prove this, because as you know, there are many clashes in the design of the lighthouse in history. To find out this, archaeologists decided to use photogrammetry technology. Thousands of photos are converted into 3D video with the help of computer graphics. After 28 weeks of diving and 50,000 photographs, archaeologists now had enough data to convert it into a 3D model. For the first time in 600 years, the 3D model of the Alexandria Lighthouse was being tested. There were 3,000 blocks in this mound, which was spread over an area of about 3 acres. It also included the foundation of statues and large pillars. There were some blocks whose shape can help a lot in making the original design of the lighthouse. But this is not that easy. With the help of computer graphics, it is like solving a giant puzzle to add these 3,000 blocks. A large part of this mound is lying on the shore for some reason. But what is this? Archaeologists believe that these look like the pillars of the lighthouse door. When the mound lying under the water was observed, 2 similar pillars were also seen lying there. It feels like these are all separate pieces of the same door. When the 3D model of these pillars was joined with the help of computer graphics, they fit perfectly into each other. There used to be a wooden door between these granite blocks. The door of the Alexandria Lighthouse, which was destroyed 600 years ago, looked something like this. Its height is 41 feet, while its weight is more than 200 tons. The lost identity of the ancient world had returned to a large extent. But apart from the door, how did the rest of the lighthouse look like? The team of archaeologists continued their efforts to uncover this mystery. They visited the place where the lighthouse used to stand. There is a large building standing here, which is called the Quitway Fort. This fort was built in 1477, just 42 years after the fall of the lighthouse. Fortunately, an interesting sign was found inside this fort. The design of this fort's mosque is similar to that of a lighthouse. There are many chances that those who built this fort and mosque had made the same design to pay tribute to the Alexandria lighthouse. Although its size is not that big, but the inside of it looks like that of an ancient lighthouse. So did the Alexandria lighthouse really look like this? To prove this theory, the 3D model was matched with the information found in the books of history. In the year 1325, the Moroccan scholar Ibn Battuta wrote that the thickness of the walls of the lighthouse is 10 spans. In that era, anything was measured by the size of the hand. From the thumb to the little finger, it is called a span. One span of the hand is about 8 inches wide, which means 10 spans are 6 feet 7 inches. 700 years ago, only 3 inches increased from the size mentioned by Ibn Battuta. Surprisingly, in the door of the lighthouse made from the 3D model, when the walls were added, their thickness was exactly 6 feet 10 inches. 700 years had already found a very big breakthrough. This meant that the chances of the description of the Alexandria lighthouse, written by Ibn Battuta, to be true were very high. According to his written description, when the remaining part of the lighthouse was made into a 3D model, everyone was amazed to see it. It looked exactly like the Mosque of Quitway Fort today. The statues kept in the Alexandria Museum stood at the door of the lighthouse and looked something like this. 330 feet high, this lighthouse was one of the tallest structures in the world at one time. There were iron mirrors on top of it that reflected the sunlight during the day, while at night, ships were shown the way by setting fire to it. According to the Alexandria lighthouse, the expert's guess was absolutely correct. After 42 years of the destruction of the lighthouse, the builders of Quitway Fort put the mosque's design on the design of the Alexandria lighthouse as a tribute. I hope you will like and share this Scope History videos. Thank you so much for your lovely comments. See you in the next video.